So, good morning everyone, mabuhay. My name is Sikim Bigityo and now let's talk about the 12 types of accommodations. So, first is hotels. These establishments offer a range of services focusing on efficiency and catering to the diverse travelers. Like examples in the Philippines include Diamond Hotel, Philippines, New Coast Hotel Manila, the Heritage Hotel Manila, Amelia Hotel, Winston Hotel, Go Hotels, Manila Airport Road, Hop Inn, Hotel Ermita, Manila, Jinjiang Inn, Ortegas, and Hope Inn Hotel Ortega Center in Manila. So, next is condominiums. These are apartment-style units owned individually but often available for rent. You can find condos for sale or condominium for sale in the Philippines. See Residence, Tiki and Lax Anos Condo Place, San Vida Tower are popular condos in the Philippines. So next is motels and motor hotels. These provide basic lodging typically near highways for short stays. So next is inns. These lodging facilities may lack the full services of hotels but offer a more personal experience. So next is paradors. These are luxury hotels usually in converted historic buildings. While not common in the Philippines, you might find similar boutique hotels in heritage sites like Intramuros. Next is pension. Family-oriented guest guest houses offering a personal atmosphere. Idea Pension House Bohol is known for its affordability, comfort and cleanliness. Ongban Pension House in Bacolod and VG Pension and Residence in Cebu City are some examples. Next is bed and breakfast. Accommodation. Next is bed and breakfast accommodation. Houses with rooms converted for overnight stays, offering a homestay experience. Old Orangewood Bed and Breakfast in Baguio and the Purple Tree Bed and Breakfast in Parañaque, Metro Manila are examples. So next is hostels. Providing basic affordable rooms, often dormitory style. Cozy Boo Bed and Breakfast near Enchanted Kingdom by Dainil is an example. Next is campgrounds. Areas for overnight camping such as in Sabangan. Sabangan in Malaybalay. Next is health spa. Catering to individuals seeking medical treatments such as the farm at San Benito. Lastly is private homes. Residence offered for seasonal rental. So that's the 12 accommodations with example. Thank you for watching everyone.